kumshi benta banbut di ni ka jingpynkhreh ban iakhun ya ka third wave jong COVID-19 ha Resulbelpara kumjo ha Williamnagar u menteri ka koi ka khia ha ka singi sa jan ulali ban jurip ya ki district u menteri ula kenduru na do ki board district ha do ki medical officer ban ya salong lor ka jingpynkhreh ban iakhun ya ka ni ka khlam ha ka jilla
vaccination drive here.
This vaccination drive we have this 45 years and above. We have target 20,720. But so far only about 20,000 only we could vaccinate with first dose. And then 18 years and above we have target of 96,000 more than. And then very around 7,000 in vaccinate. So it's very good, sir. Then this hesitancy is very much there, sir, regarding the vaccination. Though IC is conducted, but since this last Monday, it's a bit picking up. Like we are getting per day 450, 700, yesterday it was 780, like that. And we have to this massive mass mobilization campaign for vaccination. We have discussed with the commissioner with involving those this RSS, NCC and this other jurip. We have planned for teachers awareness on KIT this month, clockwise. Then this jurip and other youth on
Review meeting here in Williamnagar district to review the overall situations of the COVID. I have seen from the Deputy Commissioner and all the medical officers here, the preparation is going on. They are all prepared. We hope we will not face any kind of regret or any kind of situations. They are already prepared and the preparation is going on. So also the vaccination drive also is in the progress. And also beauty is the decentralization where the community support and community participation. Even the people themselves, they are coming forward to participate and also support the health department, support the government and support the administration in helping how to protect the life of the people. So that is the beauty. So overall we have seen in this review meeting, this preparation is on.
Thank you. So today we have had this review on the third wave preparations, and we have briefed Honorable Minister that meanwhile we fight the second wave, we are also taking steps to ensure that in the third wave, where we might have more cases, so we are scaling up the capability of the COVID ward also and the Corona Care Center also, and also of the healthcare workers, because without the staff we won't be able to manage. So I think on all fronts we are going all the way to prepare for a possible third wave.